back to my channel. Today we're doing another subscription box from Cavali Club. This one is more of a review. This box came out in the winter time. I wanted to kind of just go over how I've used the items and how much I've liked the items, because I always talk about how excited I'm about to get ready to use the items, but then I don't ever do any videos on how I thought about the items after they've been used, so I thought I'd do that. So let's jump on in. Hi, I'm April, and I'm an equestrian, and I own an equine-inspired business. And I'm excited to jump into this Cavali Club box and give you my thoughts. First off, I always like to talk about the box. This one was actually, I believe, designed by Dapple, and I am a huge fan of Leah's work, all the stuff that she does on Instagram. I love how much she supports some of the movements that have been happening in the past year, and we've had her on our podcast, and I was part of her equestrian workshop that she had online for a little bit too. So, all right, as always, there's a cool little pamphlet that comes into the boxes. First thing is the Dapple Good Rides pack. So I've actually used this. I put all the items back in the box so that I remember. I've actually used this, and I wanted to use it more for like treats too. I'm doing a little more positive reinforcement training for fun while I'm pregnant to do some fun things with my horse. So I'm excited to put some little treats in here, but then I didn't want it to get it dirty, so I almost put a baggie inside. So that way if I wanted to use it for something else as well, it was there. What also was cute is that it came with a little card, of course, a little discount code, and then stickers. I mean, if you're not, who is not a huge fan of stickers? Like, I'm ready to put some of these, I haven't yet, but I wanted to put some of these on my laptop cover. That's a new laptop, and I didn't think I'd be able to use that cover again, so I'm excited to be able to do that. Like I said, I was doing a review of these, so I did use this for a couple times when I went out. This looked like it's still brand new. I've brought it to the barn a little bit, so that's why it's not like super dirty yet, but I'm sure the white can make it a little dirty. I don't tend to stay too clean at the barn. I know some people can pull it off, but I can't. I did like the color gray. It just goes with everything. I love Dapple logo. I have really enjoyed using this product, right? And the second one is the candle. And you know I've used this one. Can't quite find the lid right now. I think my daughter, she got into it wasn't burning, thankfully, but she kind of got into this one. I think I had put it on the dining table. I'm not sure while I was burning it, and then had blown it out. So I think the lid may be under the couch, so I need to go and find that. There's some wax marks on this side because, like I said, she got into it a little bit, and there were fingerprints, but then I burnt some more of it. And I have absolutely loved this candle, and it was great to burn during Christmas time. Just really made the house smell so wonderful. And I love the candle stick. It's not really like a wax, but it's like a wood. I've seen a couple companies do that now, but I love this, and I absolutely love the design on it. And it was really cute with the, it had like a centerline cute image on it, because it's called Centerline Candles, and this one is in blue spruce, and this retails for $7. So that is, I mean, and I was probably all the way up to the brim almost. There was a ton in here. I mean, you can see I've burnt a lot, and I think for $7 that's a great buy. And like I said, I like this cute little design. Do wish I could find the lid. I'm sure I'll find it. Yes, having toddlers is fun. All right, and then this one, a knitted beanie. This one came in super duper handy because Texas went through a winter storm. We hadn't really had cold enough weather to really have a beanie. I did actually use it a little bit during Christmas time for when we were home for Christmas in Georgia. But then we had a crazy winter storm in Texas a couple weeks ago in February. It was just absolutely crazy and freezing. All right, I apologize. There's probably a little bit of dog hair on here. I need to wash it and get the dog hair off. Having a corgi, you gotta love them. But it wasn't like this when I was wearing it. But I really like that it was just so soft and easy to wear. And it's a cute little symbol on here. and it's just fun. And I like that it was like supporting a small business, and I can never complain about that. And I didn't have a black beanie. I think the other beanie I have is like a light blue beanie, and it's actually supporting a barn that I used to work at. So as you can tell, I love supporting small businesses, and I probably say that a ton in my videos, but I really do do what I say I'm actually doing. This was probably one of the things that when she did the spoilers, I was like one of the most excited about. I didn't think we'd actually get this item. I thought it was something else in the image because she did a really awesome photo shoot for this box. The Gabble, the Asea wood cheese board. So I didn't have a cheese board. And we did use this a little bit, and we put like little snacks on it. We've cleaned it off in such a sense. Like in this picture, she has where they have like little winter snacks on it and such. But this is so cute. And like even for springtime, having little crackers and cheese on it. Oh my goodness. I loved using it for wintertime. I love this. Like I've said in probably another video you've watched, but we almost have like a whole section in one of our cabinets in the kitchen now that are like all my Cavali Club. I have like the napkin rings, I have the plates, which I love the plates because my daughter can use them. She loves that they have horses on it. Now with a different box, there's little wine charms. We have a wine stopper. Just so much, and I love it. And they're all kind of like becoming like little collector items. This fifth one was really fun. I haven't put them on my English saddle yet. And this is funny because this is actually from the first box. This saddle cover is actually from the first box that I ever got from Cavali Club. I haven't used these yet on here, but my daughter has used them, and she's used them as purses. They are ultra-sized stirrup sleeves, and maybe I'll even put a picture up here. I did put a picture in the Cavali Club Facebook group when it was happening. Crazy that there's actually no dog hair on them because my daughter was bringing them everywhere. So just little stirrup covers, and these retail for $19.99. Or they're calling them stirrup sleeves. They got a little nice Velcro for them, and they go easily over the stirrups. I don't ride a lot of English, but I do like to keep my English saddle just in case. There actually was a barn that just started up here in Texas that I'm really excited to go and try it after I have my little one and I'm cleared to ride again, and maybe do a little bit of English lessons again, or maybe even go back into dressage. Last but not least was an awesome, really fun thing that was really great that collabed with Instagram accounts that I follow. I was really excited for this, and we've actually taken a couple pages out of it for my daughter to color on. I meant to find them. They were we used them over Christmas time, so I think she left some of them at her grandparents' house. And it's just a coloring book. It's got some Dapple Bay designs in here, but also like Milton Manesco account. I love her account. She's got some awesome designs, and it's fun. It'll tell you like who the designs are from on the first page. I just love when she collabs with people, and collaborations are just so much fun in the equestrian world. I don't think there could ever be enough of them, and there's always a ton of them, and I love that. I love that we come together. I mean, isn't that a fun little design? I love the font that Milton Manesco uses on her images. And yeah, there's like 2 to 3 pages of each one. And then this, you can have the design that Dapple Bay used on her box. I believe that Dapple Bay also has like things, I know you can get these stickers. I don't know if they're still available, but she had a lot of these were like actual stickers you could get. And then she had like little pouches that had the design on them. That might have only been like a Black Friday sale and such. I'm not sure if she still has them, but I will put their links in the description below. I'll put the links to all these fun little products, and then if you're interested in the Cavali Club box, that'll also be in the description as well. Overall, you all know I love the Cavali Club subscription box. I love how she puts products in for like your horse, and then she also puts products in for the equestrian. This winter box was probably more themed for the actual equestrian, which kind of makes sense because it has an equestrian. Sometimes some of us kind of slow down on the riding part, Or if we want to ride, we're going to need a little extra warmth, and double up as something for the equestrian and something you can bring to the barn for your horse. And then of course this is kind of more, it's for the equestrian, but it's for the saddle. I like that it's multi-purpose box, and you can find plenty of boxes that are more suited for your horse if that's what you want. But overall, I think this is one of the best boxes out there. If you like this video, if you liked seeing all the fun stuff that comes in a Cavali Club box and helps you make your decision, it's a little bit easier to know whether or not you want to subscribe. These boxes do come out quarterly. You can also sign up for an annual subscription. They're like 54 bucks, I believe. And if I added up all the items in here, it would easily go over the 50 bucks. Like just this little pouch alone was 24 bucks. Awesome beanie is $25. This cheese board was $50 alone. So you just got the whole box subscription that you paid for just in this cheese board. So it's like, why not? Why not subscribe? You get some awesome horse items, because who doesn't want some awesome horse home decor items in their house? If you like these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.